Everyone, in today's videos we are going to solve this exponential equation x power x is equal to 3 power x plus 54. Let us solve this. We can write it as x power x is equal to, we know that a power n plus m, it is equal to a power n times a power m. And using this identity, our right hand side will become 3 power x times 3 power 54. Now in the next step we can write it as x power x divided by 3 power x is equal to 3 power x times 3 power 54 divided by 3 power x, on dividing both sides by 3 power x. Now we can cancel out this 3 power x by this 3 power x. We get x power x divided by 3 power x is equal to 3 power 54. Now in the next step we know that a power n divided by b power n, it is equal to a divided by b whole power n. Here a is equal to x and b is equal to 3, and in place of n it is equal to x. Now, and using this identity we get x divided by 3 whole power x is equal to 3 power 54. Now in the next step, on taking power 1 divided by 3 on both sides, we get x divided by 3 whole power x and whole power 1 divided by 3, it is equal to 3 power 54 and whole power 1 divided by 3. We know that a power n bracket power m, it is equal to a power n times m. And using this identity, our left hand side will become x divided by 3 and whole power x divided by 3. It is equal to 3 power 54 divided by 3. Now we can write it as x divided by 3 whole power x divided by 3. It is equal to 3 power. And now we can cancel out this 54 by 3. It becomes 3 times 1. It becomes 3, and 3 times 8. It becomes 24. Thus it becomes 3 power 18. Now we have x divided by 3 and whole power x divided by 3, it is equal to 3 power. We can break down 18 as 2 times 9. 2 times 9, it becomes 18. Now we have x divided by 3 whole power x divided by 3, it is equal to 3 power 2 and bracket power 9, which implies x divided by 3 and whole power x divided by 3, it is equal to 3 power 2, it becomes 9, and 9 power 9. Now it is in the form of a raised to power a, it is equal to b power b. We can compare a is equal to b. Thus on comparing we get x divided by 3, it is equal to 9, which implies x gives out 9 times 3, it is equal to 27. Thus the required value of the x is equal to 27. If you are new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for more informative video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.